Whether you're buying, selling, trading, or transferring cryptocurrency assets, setting up a crypto wallet is the first step. Just like any other digital wallet, RuufPay helps users store, send, and receive cryptocurrency. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to create your RuufPay wallet, but before that, make sure that you have downloaded and installed the app on your device. You can head on over to our website at www.roofpay.app and download the installer for your device. Once downloaded, open the app and tap the Sign Up button. You will be asked to create a 4-digit PIN code so you can keep your account secure. Confirm your PIN code for the second time to register and authenticate. Always remember to not share your PIN with anyone, as this is your key to opening your account. After setting your PIN code, it's time to create your wallet. Your wallet is a safe place to store your private key. The private key of your crypto wallet can be compared to your bank account's password or the PIN on your debit card, which is confidential. This gives you access to your cryptocurrencies, so make sure not to give it away to anyone, as they might be able to access your account. If you already have an existing wallet, you can restore it by tapping Restore Wallet. But in this video, we're going to create a brand new wallet. So to create a wallet, tap on Create Wallet. Then the app will automatically generate a 12-word secret phrase. You will need to copy this onto your device or write it down on a piece of paper. This secret phrase is randomly generated, and your wallet uses it to generate the private keys that let you send and spend your crypto. This secret phrase is very important, so make sure to have a copy of it and don't give it to anyone. As long as you have your recovery phrase, you'll have access to all of the crypto associated with the wallet that generated the phrase, even if you delete or lose the wallet. If you accidentally delete your copy of your recovery phrase, you will lose access to your crypto. And if someone steals your recovery phrase, your cryptocurrency will remain safely stored on the blockchain, but you won't have any way to access it, so keep your recovery phrase safe. Once you're sure that you've already copied the secret phrase on your device or written it down on a piece of paper, tap on the Continue button to confirm this on the next screen. To confirm your secret recovery phrase, tap the words in the same order they were presented on the last screen. Once you're done confirming, tap on Create Wallet. And that's it. You now have your RuufPay wallet activated. You can now do transactions like sending, swapping, or buying coins from the app.